Well, welcome to another Dynodaze video from Nuneaton. This FN2 Honda Civic Type R Milano Red was bone stock when it came in. And now, after Richard's been busily working on it, it has an RRC inlet manifold, a hybrid racing induction kit, an Uncle Keith's paint shop candy red rocker cover. It's also got the mighty Piper true 3-inch exhaust system mated to a Piper manifold and Piper sports cap. It's now getting an ECUtek license flash to it so that we can do some tuning. So, here we go. So yes, quite a modified FN2 Civic. And if you've got a modified car and you need, because I do, to save money on your car insurance, head on over to Greenlight Car Insurance and mention Dynodaze and you will save 15%. My mate saved 150 quid the other day. Somebody better buy me a beer. Well, a lot of work's gone into this car, mate.
Well, I won't say it's loads, but it was a fair chunk of work, yeah.
Awesome car, mate.
Yeah, so totally bone stock when this car got here, so this should be a real difference to it. It's a shame, really, we can't show the differences, but it's very often how it works here. If we're about to work on the car, you're not going to put it on here, get it absolutely scalding red hot, and then start working on it, are you? So unfortunately, we didn't do a before run. But you could assume this car was stock and was making stock power.
That's a fair assumption.
A fair assumption. It was a totally bone stock car. So we're all said and done, 200 horsepower.
200 wheel horsepower.
200 wheel horsepower. I mean 200.
Oh, when it came in.
When it came in,
sorry,
yeah, around the 200 brake mark.
And
so we fitted Piper manifold, Piper sports cap, Piper 3-inch exhaust, with an RRC inlet manifold on stock throttle body, this car, with the hybrid racing induction kit. It's a bit more of a faff with the hybrid racing because you have to cut a panel.
Well, we missed the CPO one, don't we?
Yeah, well, the CPO one works and you make around the same sort of power. Hybrid racing's a bit bigger, it's 3.5 inch, so the sort of issue is it won't go through the inner wing, so you have to trim a bit out of the inner wing to get it to go through there. I think it's probably a nicer kit than the CPO.
Yeah, it is. It's better quality.
Better quality, but it's a bit of a faff. Yeah. But either way, it's about the same sort of time. Obviously, the CPO would go through without trimming the inner wing, but it's not the end of the world, and it's made good power. We made 235 today. So
200 at the wheels, which is what I like.
Yeah, if you could say this car had 200 bhp when it came in, and when it's now leaving with 200 at the wheels, which is a good number, ain't it?
Yeah,
235.
Really,
so he's gained at least 35 brake horsepower. He's got to have gained sort of 50, 60 in the mid range, which is generally what you would see if you were having an overlay. So I don't feel for 1 second he'd be disappointed with the results.
No, absolutely transform it. And realistically, next for this car, be a set of drop-in cabs and a set of injectors.
Yeah, that's sort of where you go. The rest of the mods are certainly where they need to be, aren't they? So
perhaps a set of Dynodaze Piper ones.
Maybe.
Thanks for the hat, boys. Yeah. Want to look at the graph?
Let's have a look at the graph.
Let's do it.
Okay, so as you've just heard Richard explain, redline as she came in isn't quite redline as she came in. Redline as she went onto the dyno, because the car was bone stock at 200 brake horsepower when it turned up today. But obviously we fitted a load of mods, and then at that point, yeah, we got to flash a file to it just to get it to run properly and in the safe zone for us to start tuning. So at that point, the blue line is software only. So red line versus blue line is software only. That's just the map. And we finished today on 235 brake horsepower, 200 at the wheels. That is awesome. It's an awesome car. It sounds brilliant. It's got the right mods. We're dead happy with it. Yeah, a great day's work done. So thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. And we'll see you on the next one, won't we, Rich? We will indeed.
Ready to elevate your ride? Dynodaze Performance Parts has you covered. From exhaust to ECU remaps, we offer top-tier parts for peak performance. Our experts provide personalized tuning to match your driving style. Join our community of enthusiasts. Join thousands who trust Dynodaze for their performance needs. Visit DynodazePerformanceParts.com and transform your drive today.